Hey Bob, this is Eddie, Multi-Man Services. Just got done taking a walk around your house here. What we do is like a gentle detergent wash. So any of that green algae, mold on your house, instead of power washing it and blasting it every square inch of your house, potentially damaging your siding, sending water in all kinds of crazy areas, and damaging screens, what we do is apply a gentle detergent to your siding, and that does all the cleaning work for us. Occasionally we'll need to scrub in a few places, and we'll let it dwell. It's safe for your pets, plants, and the environment. Rinse your plants after we're done, and then with like 9 gallons a minute, efficient industrial equipment will rinse down all of your siding, soffit fascia gutters, free of the mold, mildew, algae, dirt, spider webs, and bug guts. And after we're done, hopefully you'll have us shine up your outdoor windows. When we do your window cleaning, essentially what we do is clean with special purified mineral-free water. And the nice thing about that is that what it does is it ensures that none of your windows are going to get any hard water spotting, and you don't have to look out at any nasty windows. So not to say that your windows aren't going to be clean after we're done washing your house, but sometimes depending on how hard your water is, you may have some spotting. So I'd like to full introduction of who we are and what we do. We specialize in home maintenance, restoration, cleaning, gutters, roof, siding, decks, concrete. Give us a call with any questions with the proposal you see down below. We're here for you, and we'll take good care of you. Look forward to working for you, Bob. Take care.